This is a torque wrench. This can be used to make sure you get the right foot-pounds of pressure on your lug nuts. This is your jack. It's a 12-ton jack. Always good to have a mobile jack when you're on the road. A brushless DeWalt torque wrench. It's good to just put stuff on and off as well as get the spare off. And obviously you got your spacers. I like to use that so you don't have to jack the jack up as much. You want to get in and see this? The goal is to spread the load on this, create that elevated pad, extend the jack up, and you want to be right in line with the nut so you're centered. Okay. Don't get too far. You want to loosen all your lug nuts. Just gonna loosen them up. Jack it up. We always go across each other. Never go around. Just tighten them. Once you crack the nuts, good to hold your nuts so you don't lose them. Got your DeWalt automatic grease gun. Red and Tacky Grease by Lucas Oil Products. It's my go-to. See that? The dark purple means that it started out red. Yeah. The dark purple means that it's been heated up and it's got dirty axle wear on it. So usually I pump it until I see the bright red again. Okay. That I'm going to go get the hitchhikers. Filming this? cross tighten them so you don't get cut into the other. Daddy taught me that. Daddy taught him that. Easy. That click means you've hit your 120 mark. The good thing about the torque wrench, it won't let you over torque it. This is the TST, Truck System Technologies tire pressure monitoring system. It gives you readouts of your air pressure, your PSI, and your temperature of your tires. Little lesson learned is if both tires aren't running roughly the same temperatures, something's wrong. You should pull over and check them out. For maximum load, inflate to 80 PSI. So we're gonna check our air pressure. We're at 79.5.